Question was out there about how to hook up the battery on a Mercury 99. This is a Yamaha 8. So you see right here, this is your solenoid with the starter, and I think your directions said put the negative on the solenoid. Well, the negative goes right here, coming off your battery. It's the black one. It goes to the minus side on the battery, and then in this particular one, the red one is right here, and that's your positive. So it goes to the unit and makes it all start and happen coming through here. It goes back and charges your battery while you're underway. You can see it's red right there, and these come into the boat, the engine, out of this wire right here. This is probably the black, and this will be the red. And you can get this made or already made. Go to the boat shop and get one for your Mercury or what have you. And then this is the control for all the starter and everything on it. Also, it was also said something about latching your motor to your mount. Well, here's my mount for my engine or my outboard, and here's a tang on it right here, and this is what they're talking about. This piece of metal right here, if you can see that, was pre-made, and it hooks to the motor right here, and mine had a hook on it. I put a lock on it so it doesn't walk away and grow legs and walk away. Also, something that some people may know or not know, like this little deal right here, what that was. And what you do is you bring it up. You're going to have a tilt on there too. So when you're going to travel, you want to bring your motor up on the tilt, and you can see right here, this is sticking out with this space here. Well, now if I bring it up enough, which I didn't, and I'll bring it up some more, you push that in, it comes out and pushes in, and now you lower the motor until it stops, and it rests on that pin in there. You can see it there. You don't want to grind it. Now that's for your travel, so this thing's be rocking around on the road for you, and then that's about the position it is going down the road. I hope this helps you. Anything else, just ask. Good luck.